How to find or check your X username using email address. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find or check your X username using just your email address. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened the app, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here you simply have to tap in on the login option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the text box and simply enter your email address. And now here, once you're done entering your email address, simply tap on next. And here, after that, you simply have to enter your X account password. And now here, once you're done entering your password, you simply have to log in with your Gmail account. And now here, once you have entered the account, then you can simply go through the profile and here you can simply check your X username. And that's it. That's how you can find your X username using your email address. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.